Your first job is to record all the flows and everything.
But
Start,
once you
give
do
value,
this
stop.
height, weight, and cardiac index, that's all you need. Go back to pump manager. The minute you click
ये
on
records
bypass,
कितने मरीज का रिकॉर्ड कर सकते हैं हम लोग?
we have given you one of very high storage pen drive.
High का
132, more than 10,000 cases, I would say.
TB, GB, what is this?
132 GB.
132 GB.
Yeah. So you just,
We can extend this storage, no?
you change, put another card.
So that is the inbuilt storage you have.
Yeah. So we have given you this card.
Okay. MNC. MNC बोलते हैं.
SD card.
कंप्यूटर में लगाने के लिए.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay. So this now will automatically your patient's record is gone through.
132 ही है कि आगे भी जा सकते हैं? मेमोरी कार्ड ही जब लगा दे वो आप.
नहीं भाई जो compatibility होती है ना
वही मैं पूछ रहा हूँ कि क्या 132 ही लास्ट है?
last.
क्योंकि आजकल डाटा काफी बड़े-बड़े हो गए हैं.
नहीं, reason is कि why you need all the data on your card when you have a EMR system. Transfer your
Then
data.
you transfer it
Why
to another
not
computer.
this?
That is true, but that system should be every hospitals also.
Correct. But
Correct.
वही है कि जब आपके पास इतना data collect हो रहा है, then you should have that system. Otherwise, this is the maximum limit.
So
So-
what we are going to do, that is institutional.
But
problem.
this is something you have the option
True.
for future.
What we should have to be, that is a good thing.
हाँ, मतलब कि कल अगर आप EMR आता है system
अभी
में
आपने वो फैसिलिटी प्रोवाइड किया है, उस डाटा को मान लीजिए कि अभी हमारे पास कंप्यूटर है, उस कंप्यूटर में लेके हमने उस डाटा को सेव कर लिया.
Correct.
So that storage can be
you
saved
can
in
do
a
that. And if once EMR will come, you will connect to the EMR system.
इतने बड़े डिब्बे में आती है
Yes, sir.
So this is for
ये डिब्बे का क्या होगा?
चलो ये तो अब यहीं का ही है।
नहीं यही का तो लेकिन काम पे इसको
ये देखिए पैकिंग भी नहीं बढ़िया हो गया।
नहीं पैकेज तो बहुत अच्छी है लेकिन इसको रखिए कहाँ? तुम रख सकते हैं फ्रीज वगैरह ऐसे सामान रख सकते हैं तो फिर ठीक है तो तुम अपना उसका
कम से
अलमारी की
कम
तरह से
Yeah,
इस्तेमाल
you can-
स्टोरेज के पर्पस से और फिर लॉक भी कर सकता हूँ।
Yeah.
So now you have fed the patient's basic data. With this,
ये
you
हमारी
don't
ये
need
है
to
ना
do
जो
anything.
वो करना है।
Just run your case. The minute you say on bypass,
Rough it up.
automatic all the flows, pressures are being recorded. You don't need to do
ट्रेनिंग
it.
कर रहे थे तभी रिमोट रन हुआ
Okay.
अब तो हमारे पर बिजनेस
So,
जितने भी हैं किसी ने
Again,
देखी
like I
नहीं
said,
है
you can control from here. You can control from.
क्या वो हमसे फोन करके पूछा
Coming to what we want when you are running the pump, main is level, bubble, pressure. These three things are the safety. Okay. Coming to level, we have
each type की information दी थी उन्होंने कॉपी लेके आने से पहले सारे कॉपी स्टोरेज नोट वगैरह थे तो उन्होंने उसको लिख दिया और हार्ड कॉपी को मतलब पीछे को चाहिए अभी क्या अच्छा नहीं आया है
हम
और
क्या
आप
करें?
गुस्से में कहते थे कि
नहीं नहीं मैं तो कह रहा हूँ ना वो कह रहा था कि 11 बजे आ जाएगा तो कम से कम तो डिजाइन नहीं करना पड़ेगा हमारे दोनों प्रोड्यूसर्स से दुखी हो रहे थे कि अगर आपने 11 बजे मंगा लिया होता तो हमारा रिजर्वेशन हो जाता है कुछ नहीं
okay. Now this is level detector. Unlike other detectors, we have given you two level detectors. Okay. The advantage of this is, firstly, how you stick it. We've given you a double side tape.
So this is normal 3M double side tape, no adhesive pad, nothing. You just cut it, put it on your oxygenator and paste it. Okay.
Just cut it. We'll show them. Small piece.
Where are you going to stuck it?
हाँ,
You don't
बिल्कुल
have
ये
the
ना,
reservoir.
Just
They understand this
Huh?
because they just have to cut like
It's
this.
understood.
stick
it
it
understood.
on the
Oxygenator and paste this.
double side. Now, the yellow line, the yellow marker is a early warning marker for the level being dropped. So this you normally keep at a little higher level to warn you, and this at a lower. So you can keep this at 200, you can keep this at 150, or 300 and 150, wherever you are comfortable. As soon as the blood level touches the yellow mark, what it will do, it will give a warning to the arterial pump that the level is dropping. And how it will give a level, because we give you a sensor which you will place on the venous line, directly on the venous line tubing. Can we just put the venous line tubing sensor? How to put it? show him.
So this is half sensor. You just have a click.
Open it
Okay.
and
Okay.
put it on the Venus line. Okay? So what it will
Just
give
see
you,
the direction
yeah.
and lock it. This
So
is a flow as well as the bubble. But because Venus always brings some bubbles out from the side, so you can disable the bubble also. Okay.
okay.
We have the different sizes of this.
Yes, half 3/8 quarter.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We have programmed this channel to give you the venous flow directly on this. So whatever is the venous flow coming through the patient, from the patient to the oxygenator, it will give you 4 liter, 5 liter, 6 liter, 3 liter, whatever. Okay. So as soon as the level drops, obviously the venous blood line will give you an indication that it was 4 liters and now it has become 2 liters. So if you have kept this at a level, automatically the pump is sensing the venous flow, it will warn it, and the pump, arterial pump, will immediately slow down to what the venous return flow is. As a safety. Okay?
बिल्कुल लेवल पे आकर अपने आप को स्लो डाउन करने से अच्छा है कि फ्लो सेंसर पहले बता दे कि अब मुझे पीछे से रिटर्न नहीं आ रहा है, तो पंप की स्पीड अपने आप स्लो हो जाए.
So it will slow down. However, if the blood level drops further and hits the red mark, the pump will stop.
यहाँ कोई मतलब नहीं इन सब चीज़ों
So, okay?
इसको लगाने के लिए इसी गेट से लगा
हाँ, double side tape है. So no need of disposables.
एडिसिव पैड लगा के फिर लगाते थे ना पहले लेवल सेंसर, वो कुछ नहीं, अब 3M का टेप ऑक्सीनेटर में चिपकाइए और सीधा लेवल सेंसर
ये
चिपकाइए.
हमें खरीदना पड़ेगा ना फिर हम बटेगा
हाँ,
ये तो
250 रुपए में आपको
100 रुपए में
साल
20
भर
तो
में,
मिल जाएगा।
हाँ,
वो कोई बहुत बड़ा मुद्दा
250 रुपीज में इतना आपको आ जाएगा कि आपके 2 साल निकल
20
जाए.
रुपए का लेवल सेंसर का उससे बहुत ज्यादा ठीक है
वो 1500 रुपीज.
ये खराब हो गया ना
डबल साइड.
किसी कंपनी का टेप यूज करना
नहीं, कोई भी डबल साइड टेप.
हैंडल विद केयर.
माइक्रो पर को आपको फोल्ड करके डबल साइड करना पड़ेगा.
नाउ इट्स अ प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ दिस इंस्टीट्यूट
Okay, so this is how it is. ठीक है, to detach it, just turn it anti-clockwise and pull it, it will come out easily. ठीक है, so this is as far as the level is concerned. The level sensor, however, if you click in the middle of it, you see a level, you see level. When I put disabled, means it will disable. Now it is disabled. That's why your pump is there. Okay, the minute you want to activate it, put protected flow. Now it is pump stop. You saw? Now it is telling you that there is no level sensor. However, anytime while on bypass or whatever, not bypass, just press disable.
मतलब अगर पंप बंद हुआ पंप पे जाने का और उसका इसको डिस्टेबल करके ओवरराइड
Bus,
करके जाने
bus. So override means disable.
ये वाला मेन सेकंड
Yeah,
का
इनेबल
ये
मींस
main
प्रोटेक्टेड फ्लोस
yeah.
दोनों यही मेन
हाँ ये सब चीजें ऑब्वियसली देखो नॉर्मल सब जानता है उसको जब ट्रबल शूटिंग में कैसे उसको बाहर निकलने का ये जानना जरूरी है
Same way,
अभी वन्नी यही गलती
Same
कर
way.
दी है
this is the flow detector as well as bubble sensor in the arterial line. Same way we have 3/8 for arterial line. This will sense the flow and give you in liters per minute actual flow going to the cannula. So you normally place it beyond your shunt line, beyond your arterial filter. Okay? This, however, has a bubble activation for bubble sensing. So here you see here there is a bubble flow. Now I have disabled it. I can put it on medium.
it's both of the things it's working within the same
Yes.
Like a centric mag.
Yes.
उसमें भी ऐसे फ्लो और बबल.
Bubble and level.
You don't need to have
bubble.
another sensor to connect on the
Yeah.
line.
No need of any. Now, I just acknowledge that yes, I know that there is a bubble.
व्हाट इज
I
द साइज
disable.
व्हाट इज द साइज फॉर दिस स्मॉल मीडियम
That microns based on small, medium, large, but
कहीं दिया हुआ है
50
इसका
micron
specification.
वगैरह है. But we normally keep it at medium, which is
मीडियम मतलब दिमाग को
medium
निकाल-
size का. Okay, so you press in the middle of the.
Diameter of bubble.
साइज पूछ रहा था मैं
हाँ वो sizes दिया हुआ है.
हाँ.
IFU में I'll show you.
Yeah, 20 micron, 50 micron का वगैरह ऐसा
क्या
size.
मुद्दा है टीवी साहब?
मैं
अगर
तो
वो
समझता
माइक्रॉन्स
हूँ।
भी जाएगा तो ब्रेन को स्टक करेगा ना आपको माइक्रॉन को भी नहीं जाने देने का
तो small पे रख देना.
है
ठीक है.
यू नो aggregations of a micro bubbles makes a macro bubbles.
Yes,
And
yes.
that makes a air embolism.
Correct. So if you don't want to get bothered every time, you keep it on medium,
I keep it disabled.
disable. That's- okay, so it will give you a visual indicator. The cross sign means it is.
Disabled.
Yeah. Okay. Now again, one more thing. What we have: level, bubble, and pressure.
Yes, yes.
So pressure, I have kept maximum outlet pressure 350, stock pressure 400. You can change this whatever you want. Okay.
What is the maximum limit we can set?
करके दिखाइए केविन सर। वो होगा 400-500 से ऊपर तो
इतना
नहीं।
होने से बंद हो
इसका?
जाएगा।
ये कह रहा है कितना मैक्सिमम प्रेशर हम लोग कर सकते
800 के आवाज होगा
हैं 800
बस रहने
Why
दिया
do
इससे
you-
इससे जरूरत नहीं है बस इतना 500 बहुत है
500. चलो.
ना ना 500 करते नहीं हम
बहुत
बस
है।
जानना चाह रहा था मैं
400 में बंद हो ही जाना चाहिए।
अरे जिज्ञासा शांत करना चाहिए।
जैसे कि हम लोग 350 से ऊपर नहीं रखते हैं 350 या 400 तक रखते हैं
हम
Okay.
500 भी
So what I have done now is I have disabled it. But simple. If you want to be adventurous and want to monitor, just this.
एक एक करके बस।
So you click out, it's over. So level, bubble, pressure. Done. Any questions on this part for your day-to-day functioning?
पूछ लो बच्चों जो तुमको डाउट हो वो बात करो।
So you have flow. Now this flow, what you are seeing here is the calculated flow. What you see comes through this will be a little different.
It's a measured flow.
This will be the measured flow because it will be minus all the shunt lines. Your sampling line, your recirculation line, your hemofiltration line. But what is going to the patient will only be sensed by this and it will be displayed.
तो ये जो डिलीवरी ऑफ ऑक्सीजन आप देख रहे हैं DO2 वो आपका यहाँ से मेजर फ्लो की इंफॉर्मेशन लेके क्या आ रहा है इधर
Yeah.
Correct.
So
that you have a
we'll
correct
come to that, right? Also, one more thing is you are getting the pressure over here through your transducer. We will connect the
Edwards,
transducer,
Edwards.
Edwards transducer, connect it here. And normal procedure of zeroing, click over here, zero arterial pressure, zero. Yes, yes. Okay, so it will become to
इसके
zero.
साथ ट्रांसड्यूसर स्टैंड तो दे रहे होंगे ना?
ट्रांसड्यूसर और ट्रांसड्यूसर सेंटर वहीं से आएगा एडवर्ड्स से ना ये एडवर्ड्स की केबल आई है आपको वो तो आप यूज कर रहे हैं ना या तो एडवर्ड्स
Cardioplegia, again click on this cardioplegia, you will get CPG,
सही है।
zero.
उसको एडवर्ड वाले को आप बोल दो कि वो कर देगा। उनसे आप अपना कोलैबोरेशन बना के रखो क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन हर जगह आएगा।
अगर हाँ मतलब स्पेशली जहाँ पे यूज नहीं
हर
करते
जगह अप्रोच नहीं करेगा ना एडवर्ड वाले को फोन करें। यू आर इन द मार्केट यू कैन
आप बात कर
कन्वे द
सकते
मैसेज
हैं,
वेरी
बात कर सकते हैं। एडवर्ड वालों से बात करके बात कर सकते हैं अच्छा गुड आइडिया
वी डिड अ स्टैंड
So you have your pressure over here, arterial cardioplegia, you have your flow. Right. Now you are circulating, you are recirculating, monitoring all your pressure, right? Also, when you connect your arterial pressure here, you will also get a dial pressure. That is the beauty of this. As soon as your aortic cannula is connected, which means it will sense a positive pressure, this will give you a swing, which will reflect the arterial swing in the cannula. जो पुराने लोग
सर्जन ऑल्सो की सर एक बार देख लो उधर
So it's a visual indicator for you
ट्यूब पे देख लेता है
whether the
फिर भी परफ्यूजन से पूछा स्विंग साइड
no this is good for you because sometimes some
टेबल पे वही कैलकुलेट कर रहा
हाँ।
है जब कनेक्ट कर रहा है तो उसका स्विंग
दिख रहा है,
हमको बाद में दिखता है पहले उसको
हमको ये visual indicator
लेकिन
है.
उसके बाद भी आप पूछता है भाई हो रहा है
So you know if by chance he has clamped the line, this will not fluctuate. Okay, so this is as far as the arterial is.
कंपनी को आपने दिया क्या केविन सर क्योंकि आपके टाइम में मैनोमीटर यूज होता था
अभी भी काफी जगह यूज
आपने
हो रहा
सजेस्ट किया होगा यूके वालों को
है.
आप फिर
हम तो जो छोटे आदमी लोग हैं, इतना बड़ा
नहीं नहीं
बड़ा
बट
होता है।
फैक्ट इज कि कहते हैं दिस
They have-
मिशन हैज बीन बिल्ड अप विद
और
ideas of
more than
all-
350 purchases.
केविन जैसा कोई और रहा होगा कि बोला होगा कि नहीं मेरा
correct
पुराना
correct some
मैनोमीटर
perfusers may have given this idea
यस ओके
It's a good thing. I like that, and everybody will like it.
इवन मी आल्सो
It's really nice when you see it in the case. You'll appreciate
पहले
it.
अपोलो में यही मैनोमीटर यूज करके हम लोग प्रेशर्स देते हैं, ट्रांसड्यूसर्स नहीं होता था।
करेक्ट।
ये इसीलिए मैंने आपको बोला कि आपका जमाने का टाइम। हाँ 9000 में भी था।
9000 7000
हाँ। हम लोग लास्ट 8000 यूज किए सर, अभी भी चल रहा है।
अरे
You put it off. Open the pump, hold it here. So clockwise, tighten the occlusion, anti-clockwise to release it. So you see your line, the level is dropping, or the pressure is. How do you guys check occlusion?
ठीक है यही है।
1 centimeter per minute, right? So this
Not 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter per minute, 1 inch.
1 inch per minute. Okay? The other way, some perfusionists, what they also do is they build a pressure in the line,
Yes.
in the arterial pressure digitally, and they adjust the occlusion for the pressure to drop every second by 1-2 millimeter. That is the other way people also do. I prefer fluid drop level. You can actually see the
We are doing the same.
perfect. Okay? So occlusion, you are comfortable?
So what was the 250 mm pressures we used to create the pressures 250 and then?
Yeah, normally what we do is we raise the level
Yeah,
of the
yes,
fluid
part number
above the
part
oxygenator.
pressures वाला।
प्रेशर ड्रॉप
वो 250 पे ले आके वो
वो
छोड़ेगा।
250 है ना?
250, 350 whatever, and drop it. Okay. Now, this is your, whatever you have named it, I have named it as a vent pump based on your feedback. Okay. Now coming to cardioplegia.
इसको वेंट डालिएगा तो कलर हरा ही रहेगा कि?
No, you can change the color you want, but right now we stuck to this standard.
देन एलईडी कलर विल आल्सो चेंज।
Yes, yes.
नाम चेंज करने से एलईडी कलर चेंज हो जाएगा?
No, नाम करने से कलर का ऑप्शन अलग है। नाम चेंज करने का ऑप्शन अलग है, कलर चेंज करने का ऑप्शन अलग है। For you, vent is green. For him,
मुझे
vent
लग
will
रहा
be
है
yellow.
मुझे लग रहा है इस डेमो के बाद मुझे लगेगा ये तो
ऐसा
यार
नहीं।
मैं
Not
Vent is
for
always
him, not
green.
for me. We have the,
Institutional.
no institution. It's a universal color coding.
Vent is always.
Yellow is vent. You open the,
it should be like that.
if you open the oxidator of Medtronic,
Yeah, yellow
you get
cap.
the same yellow cap with this, with the lever number.
Green is gas line.
So color coding is universal. Why
Correct.
we used to keep the same? We don't know what the company may use. We must be making a good habits.
Correct.
Best practices.
Best protocols, which is.
So ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको नारंगी पसंद है तो मेरे को नीला पसंद है तो मैं उस हिसाब से रखेगा। कल को वो
नहीं,
ये
नहीं,
very
होना
nice.
नहीं चाहिए।
शक्कर विकर के बारे में।
हाँ, वो
ये चीज आप जो बताएं मैं आपको सजेस्ट दे रहा हूँ कि ऐसा मत बोलिए।
नहीं, what I mean is sometimes sucker, vent, root vent, different.
They all are trained with the scientific things. Books is also written, go with the color coding. Blue is Venus, red is art.
Correct.
That's it.
Correct.
So cardioplegia, I have kept it pink color. Right? Now, if you see, there are pressures P1 and P out. You click in the middle of it, you'll get the pressure received. Now, as you know, for cardioplegia, if you want to start cardioplegia, your arterial pump needs to be moving every time, right? Otherwise, what will happen? If you start cardioplegia when the arterial pump is off and if you are connected to the patient, you will draw blood out from the oxygenator and create negative pressure, right?
It's called the cerebral steal. When you are taking the blood from the arterial line, your blood pressures will fall down and it's called the cerebral steal.
Correct.
You're
So
stealing the
you
blood
are
from
stealing blood from the,
the arterial line.
but now there is no circulation happening, so you can draw air out from there, creating a negative pressure, right? However, what we do is,
अच्छा वो आउटलेट से ले सकता है ऑक्सीडेटर।
what we do is we have linked it to a positive pressure. So even if your arterial pump is off and not moving, you want to start cardioplegia. If it is connected to the arterial line, obviously there is a positive pressure. So we say minimum inlet pressure 5 as a safety. Okay. However, you don't want it, you can disable it. This is a safety.
सेफ्टी
Yeah. Which gives you that you know, this
This
pump,
pressure.
your arterial pump, cardioplegia pump,
Let me understand what I understand from your voice. This 5 mm active pressures you have given,
yeah,
when your cardioplegia occlusion will be tightened, such the pressures will generate with this?
No,
On
no.
the stable?
no. This is linked to your arterial line pressure.
Okay.
Arterial line only.
Arterial line. Because your
Arterial line,
cardioplegia,
5 mm of
your cardioplegia pump, you're taking blood from arterial line.
If arterial pump is stopped, then it
Then-
will automatically stop.
Yes.
Because it
अगर
is shut down
आर्टीरियल
5
साइड में
mm
5 mm का
Yes.
प्रेशर है तो
तभी
चलेगा, नहीं तो
नहीं
नहीं
तो
चलेगा।
नहीं खुलेगा।
तो ये occlusion से कहीं ना कहीं निर्धारित है ना, आपका ये 5
It is
mm
actually-
pressures उसका होना
Occlusion
चाहिए।
to is your anyway going to be occlusion.
Occlusion depends the pressures. If you delayed, आपने ढीला कर दिया occlusion, तो क्या ये pressures उतना ही stable रखेगा जितना arterial pressures में है?
नहीं, it will reverse. ना?
उससे क्या कोई relations नहीं है आपका occlusion pump का?
No, this is understood that your cardioplegia pump occlusion is proper.
सही है ना, सही है।
So it is, you are making slave with the arterial
Correct.
pump.
Correct. So this is a slave. In other pumps, the slave is driven if the arterial pump is moving. Here we have connected to pressure, which is a indication that it is already taking blood from a positive pressure.
But aim is same.
Same. That your cardioplegia pump will be on.
जीरो करने की जरूरत नहीं है।
नहीं, ये बात मैं नहीं समझ पा रहा हूँ बार-बार कि ये फिगर कांस्टेंट क्यों है? अच्छा, इसको आप चेंज कर सकते हो।
Yeah.
So
You
how
can.
you had come with this कि we have to keep the 5 mm of pressures? Have
It
you
is-
go with the research or something like that?
No, it is an indication that there is a positive pressure in the line.
Which line? Cardioplegia?
Arterial line.
आर्टेरियल
See, your cardioplegia pump is sucking from the arterial line.
Okay. You have the occlusion pump also there.
Which pump is occluded?
You are going through the occlusion pump to the cardioplegia pump, na?
So the inlet pressure, no, that's why I'm saying cardioplegia inlet pressure.
What about this pump?
So this pump is occluded, no? This is going to give you forward flow occlusion.
इसलिए दिया है बंद होते होते नेगेटिव प्रेशर क्रिएट ना करे, थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा ना बंद होने में।
Try to understand. This is connected to the arterial line pressure.
Yes, I know that arterial outlet से आप दे रहे हो और पंप से लेके फिर आप दे रहे हो मरीज को, ठीक है? अब ये प्रेशर्स जो है, मान लो कि मरीज का आपका प्रेशर 90 है,
हाँ,
ठीक है?
हाँ.
तो ये कैसे फिक्स करेगा कि ये 5 ही हमारा MMFH
तो
रहेगा?
हमने मिनिमम रखा, क्योंकि क्या है, अगर जीरो रखेगा, you are going to suck blood, no? Then it will create a negative
ये
pressure.
मतलब मिनिमम आपका लिमिट है।
हाँ.
अगर इससे नीचे जाता है
तो
ये-
पंप बंद हो जाएगा. As a safety. Otherwise, there are chances you will suck air, ना? Negative pressure होगा.
तो आपका मानना है 5 अगर प्रेशर्स है तो वो पॉजिटिव प्रेशर्स बना कर
हाँ.
वो 2 नहीं रखेगा।
The minute it goes, it should not go negative.
कंपनी का जो नॉर्म्स है, ठीक है?
Okay? So, like you said, it is a slave. Okay? However, if I want to disable it, I can disable it. Okay? And this is your cardioplegia stop pressure, outlet pressure. You program it whatever way you want. For the minute it is 250, it will slow down, stop, 300. Okay? That also, if you don't want, just press disable.
No, that is important.
Okay. So this is as far as your cardioplegia delivery and this is concerned. Remaining are your suction lines.
Did you mention about how the cardioplegia pump is interlinked with the arterial pump?
Yeah, that was minimum inlet pressure.
डिलीवरी फीड कर सकते हैं वो सब
Now.
बता दीजिए।
It is, we have programmed certain volumes for you. 1 liter dose, you click on 1 liter and you want to increase it, you just press plus 100, whatever.
While giving a pleasure,
Yes, yes, during, on the run you can also increase, decrease. So we have given 300, 500, 700. So if you are doing pediatric, 500. After 500 you still want to give more, you want to give less. So the minute it touches here, it will stop. Now you are priming the fluid, you just press flush. So during flushing, it will not record the volume delivered. Okay? The minute you go, you're delivering it, just press this and it will start.
this we are doing
Yes.
Okay. After doing flushing, it
Stop
will
it.
come. Okay.
And then you are anyway or whichever dose you are highlighting.
Suppose we are giving a liter.
Yes.
Suddenly we go on to 5-700. We are going to manipulate.
Just give it, click 700.
It will take it.
Yeah. After that, the pump will stop. The minute the pump stops, the ischemic time will start here. Yes. Minus. We have just programmed it for that. But this is the normal. You are not going to minus 25.
For pediatric, we have to.
Yeah, so you will give 500 and then you will make 100 and then whatever. Right?
But in case we are giving one
You can.
सही है
You can do whatever you want.
अरे
You
वो
want-
तुमको ऑप्शन दे दिया है तुम उसी हिसाब से ले
मतलब चेंज कर सकते हैं.
Yes, we can preset it.
आप अगर जैसे आप वैल्यू चाहते हैं कि ऐड ऑन माइनस करना हो जितनी
ये
वैल्यू
हो जाएगा 100 से वो 25 भी बन जाएगा
Yeah.
कैसे करना है आप बताओ
No, we have to go into the into the system settings.
अलग बनाना पड़ेगा
नहीं प्रोफाइलिंग तो अलग है लेकिन जैसा आप इसमें क्या करते हो
It's from time surgeon say stop.
Yes.
We have feed 500 ml. And surgeon sometimes say stop.
Just temporary.
Yeah.
And then you want to, like giving osteal cardioplegia. So we have a 15-second pause. For 15 seconds, in between 15 seconds, if you continue giving, it will not record as a dose. So there is a 15-minute pause, which does not give you to record as a new
सर्जन
dose.
मर जाएगा वो ऑस्टियल चेंज करने 15 सेकंड में बोलेगा कि अभी हमको 2 मिनट चाहिए हमसे 15 सेकंड में ले लेगा वो
No, then it will register as another dose.
So how?
ठीक है क्वेश्चन
Time, automatically it will show as another dose. Suppose your surgeon has given, say, 800 and he stops and he is now decalcified. Right? He has taken 5 minutes. So that means already the ischemia has gone to 5 minutes. So then you will record it as another dose.
हाउ कैन वी स्टॉप इट लेट्स सपोज
It is stopped already, no? Because you have stopped the pump.
ओके मैनुअली वी हैव
Yeah, you stop the pump, it will
दैट इज
stop.
नॉट नेसेसरी दैट
No.
वी हैव टू गिव
Now,
अ 12 ऑन
no. Whenever you want cardioplegia, you stop the pump. It will wait for 15 seconds.
Only 15 seconds.
Yeah.
And we start.
Then, no. Then you start whenever you want.
Okay.
But the recording of the dose, from 0 to 15 seconds, it will not record and you start the pump within 10 seconds. It will say that continue in the first dose only.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
तो मतलब अब मेरी बात समझिए कि हमने क्या समझा आपने जो बताया लेट मी अंडरस्टैंड आल्सो 1 लीटर मैंने देना है मेरे को
Correct.
800 दिया मैंने
हाँ।
सर्जन बोला रुक जाओ
हाँ,
ठीक है
बराबर.
अब मेरे को 200 देने का है
हाँ,
सर्जन 4 मिनट लगा दिया
हाँ.
तो अब क्या होगा वो डाटा डिलीट हो जाएगा
नहीं, वो data will go as the dose given 800.
800 दिखाएगा
Yeah.
उसके बाद अगर मैं
आप चाहो
देना
तो
है,
वापस चालू
तो
करो.
मैं उतना डाटा फिर से उसको ऐड कर लेगा कि
हाँ.
मतलब वो एक प्रीवियस डोज की
ऐड
तरह
ऑन
हो
ऐड ऑन होगा
Yes.
प्रीवियस डोज हो जाएगी प्रीवियस डोज हो जाएगी फिर 200 ml जो आप और दे रहे हैं वो
Huh?
Added volume is 300.
No, you have to have a preset value.
Every time.
Yeah, you have a preset and give how much more you want.
नहीं बाय यू नो
मैनुअली हम दे सकते हैं
Without setting any values.
No, you have to have a preset value.
We have to set.
And then you give how much you want.
ये एंटीग्रेड दिया हुआ है सर
Yeah, you want
रेट्रोग्रेड एंटीग्रेड
retro.
रेट्रोग्रेड कंटीन्यूअस देना हो तो
So you give retrograde.
इसमें कोई डाटा फिट नहीं करने की जरूरत
You give
है
7.
कंटीन्यूअस
You
यू डोंट नो दैट 700
you give continuous. There's no problem. There is no limit to it.
it will record that
It will only, yes. Afterwards, it will stop. It will, when your pump stops, it will record. Now, you go to cardioplegia.
बंद कर
हाँ,
दो, बंद कर दो.
जैसे पंप ऑफ हो गया कार्डियोप्लीजिया का, you will get an option for cardioplegia.
मैक्सिमम वैल्यू पे सेट कर दो. इतना देना हो
You just click on this. You have crystalloids. 1 to 4 micrometers. This is not
We have to click, whatever the selection you want.
Even only blood only option होता है.
अभी रुको आने दो
Sometimes we need a long officer behind it.
सेकंड को बेहतरीन
Yeah, so just give blood only here.
याद है
So it is, when you click this option, it is actually recording in your background that it is blood only. When I'm clicking on anti-grade, it is showing that it is anti-grade what is being delivered.
Matter is, whatever you are keeping here,
Yeah.
that doesn't mean, your circuit should be there.
Yeah.
A 4:1 we are, practically we are using. We
Yes.
have to mechanically reverse the circuit size. Whatever, whether you are going to give a blood or what,
You do it.
we have to do this.
Yes, you do.
ये ब्लड तो लिख दिया
This will only chart things.
उसमें हम अगर पिस्टोलाइट भी डाल रहा है तो चाचा यही बोले
वो तो ब्लड जा रहा है. मशीन को ब्लड सेंस नहीं हो रहा ना, वो तो आप देख रहे हैं.
Zero.
Zero either pressure. Yeah.
That is major.
ये दिमाग में धीरे धीरे प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा कहाँ पे कौन से
ये arterial flow है, arterial pressure cardioplegia पर जीरो करने के लिए दो ही प्रेशर देखते हैं अपन, बरोबर. Also you want to go circuit in circuit you have everything. You go to circuit, you have everything. Now in this I forgot to tell you, whichever diameter of tubing you are putting in the pump, you go to circuit and you choose a volume.
Pump has to be stopped in that.
Pumps. Now here we have put half into 3/30. Tomorrow you are doing a pediatric case. Click on this. You have a host of options. Normally we will use a 3 and
we need to change it will not please sense
No,
no, no. You have to choose.
ये अच्छा अच्छा
आज आप एडिट कर रहे हो, शाम में आप edit
So
कर रहे
you
हो.
do this 3/8 into 3/32. Yes.
ये मोस्ट एडवांस है ना तो ये भी ऐड कर देना चाहिए
ज्यादा सेंसर
फीडबैक में लिख लो
नहीं भाई, आपका रोल आपके हाथ में होना चाहिए.
कस्टमर फीडबैक लिख लो आपकी कस्टमर ये कह रहा है कि होना
ज्यादा
चाहिए।
सेंसर
Point
नहीं
number के लिए कुछ बचना चाहिए ना
हाँ. Okay, now the
He
next
is also the advanced performance
the next tube that we will put is 3/8 into 3/32 because in India we use 3/8.
कंसर्न सही है
Okay, so you click on 3/8 into 3/32
ऑटोमेटिकली सेंस कर ले वो
and you said OK, which means now your circuit is 3/8. In your venous occluder, what line you are taking? Half inch, 3/8.
Half inch.
Click on this. If you are doing a pediatric, click 3/8 into 3/8. Okay. In your root to end, what side of tubing you are putting? This.
almost 1/4
Yes. So green is on. Green off. Go to vent. Different size of tubing. This will configure your pump. Based on this, your flow is calculated. Your displacement. Okay. So very easy to understand.
Ready करके जाएंगे बोलिए, आएंगे क्या? Ready
हाँ.
करके.
दीपक को भी बुला
ठीक है.
Okay, so now circuit configuration, zeroing, pressure, level, bubble, this is done. Your case is done, ready to go. Cardioplegia pressure. Now comes to inline monitoring. Now, Fazil, can we see the cable? Just show it to them.
Yes.
This machine will give you a continuous display of hemoglobin or hematocrit, DDP, arterial saturation, venous saturation, oxygen delivery, oxygen consumption, venous saturation, arterial saturation.
this is the
no need to control it
Yes. Now this is venous occluder. So I have clicked it over here. We do a test. We call it a carriage test. So we have just fed the tubing in that. Now we need to check whether it is proper. So when I press on carriage test, see what will happen there.
Occluder calibration.
Okay?
No calibration required.
No need of
Yeah,
any
which one
calibration.
is
No.
what
It is sensing what tube you have put in automatically.
test means it is
Carriage is just you are
Yes,
testing each one.
the-
Fine or not.
Okay? Now, if I want to clamp it, you see this clamp here? I just press clamp. It has clamped fully, 100%. I want to open it, it's open. Release is when you want to remove the tube out from the insert. Okay?
I have one question. Do you have a manual occluder system that
Yes.
you can
No,
directly?
you don't have a manual occluder. You have an electronic occluder. Now, this is how you will control it. Once we
Then, so in between, I want to just clamp.
in between you want to clamp.
Yeah.
Just
Yeah,
click
but-
over here and clamp it. It will clamp.
No, not 100%. That
Yes.
only a few.
That will come. When you have a flow here, no?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Once
flow
you
sensor,
get the
it's a
flow,
sensor based on
then,
flow. Then you have a
then
plus minus how many ml you want to adjust and
you
all.
can adjust here based on this.
Yeah.
If you
अभी
see
तो
this
आपको
knob,
सिर्फ ये clamp
this-
और open दिख रहा है.
this knob, when I press it inside,
Hmm.
it doubles up as a venous occluder.
हाँ, यही चीज़ है.
This I can control.
Can we use independent for
Yeah, so now this is independent. This is independent here, plus minus.
नहीं ये आप confuse नहीं, मुझे एसएमएस में
No,
जैसे
no.
नॉर्मल से यूज कर रहे हैं.
for one for venous occluder, another for arterial pump?
नहीं, उसमें केस में क्या होगा ना संदीप भाई, you will lose one controller for your pump. अभी क्या है, all 5 pumps you control from your knobs
तो
only.
एक्स्ट्रा नहीं मिल सकता ना हमारे पास?
You can use this.
Why they have given this toggling option so that अगर आपके पास कल एक्स्ट्रा पंप भी आ जाते हैं यहाँ पर, you don't need to have another controller like this. You just need to toggle it once click and change the another.
So suppose I can control 2 suckers with this knob.
Okay.
If you want venous occluder as a separate knob, then I have to,
No, can we have extra now? for
no,
venous?
no, this is only, the non extra knob, but it will control 2 pumps.
Company had given you that option, you have to
नहीं
carry
अभी
out.
अभी फॉर एग्जांपल आप पहला गियर डालते हैं, दूसरा गियर डालते हैं, समझे आप? अभी क्या है, आपने पहले गियर में डाली और गियर अपने आप चेंज हो रहे हैं गाड़ी.
फैसल भाई हीरो वाला खरीदा आपने तो कंपनी को बोलोगे कि मेरे को ये दायां नहीं बायां चाहिए.
और लेफ्ट हैंड ड्राइव आप यहीं से आप दुबई चले गए, अब आप लेफ्ट हैंड ड्राइव चला रहे थे, राइट हैंड ड्राइव चला रहे हैं, इतना फर्क है.
आपको जो दिया है उसे मैंने चलाना है.
Your question, I understood. What your question is, your question is, I want whether I can have a venous occluder separate controller. Now, you can get that also, but what do you do with the other pumps? How will you control the other pumps?
आपने 5 दिया है, 5 ही में चलना पड़ेगा. अभी
नहीं, 5 नहीं, 10 चला सकते हैं आप, लेकिन उसके ऊपर टॉगल करके दूसरा चलाना.
का बात नहीं समझ रहे. उसमें अलग बटन चाहिए मेरे को.
You want one pump for one control. So then you will have such a bigger drive.
But why?
Think large ना.
But why?
Think large.
But when you have an option, click करो, symbol चलाओ.
Click. हाँ. When you
But
click here, now
easy
you
है,
are
easy है,
controlling
मैं
venous
बता रहा हूँ,
occluder.
ये लग रहा है, but it's very easy. Just click and you change.
Now you want to control vent and sucker.
Second thing, अभी मैं बताऊँ आपको और solution. नहीं, give me just a second. एक solution और भी है. अगर आप उसको नहीं टॉगल करना चाहते, ठीक है, you still have occluder to operate and can control from here.
Yeah.
That more convenient. अगर आपको लगता है मैं टॉगल
मुझे
so
लगता
that
है
you
उससे
हाँ,
convenient ये वाला.
वो ज़्यादा option है because आप जाते हो मेरा आर्टरी वहाँ दिखता रहे और मैं ऑपरेट करता रहा
मेरा
हूँ.
ये
That is
कहना
good.
है कि दोनों हम एक साथ देख सकते हैं.
आप दोनों
तो
यहाँ से
यहाँ दोनों भी एक साथ देख सकोगे.
इसको कैसे यहाँ से कंट्रोल करो.
अभी जब फ्लो है
उसमें
अभी
plus minus
ये मार्क आ रहा है ना बिकॉज़ फ्लो
It's not sensing the flow.
सेंसर आएगा प्लस माइनस का ऑप्शन आपके पास यहीं पे आ जाएगा कंट्रोल करने.
So here then you can control digitally.
Because I got your point.
100 ml you can control from here.
ठीक है ना.
However,
और यहाँ पे आपको
somebody else.
अब वो मैं कोई pediatric case करा रहा हूँ, 500 ml
हाँ.
glucose. अब उसको कैसे कैसे कम करूँगा? 20 ml 30 ml भी कम करना पड़ता है.
Yes,
हमारे
you
पास
can
कैसे
do.
लगेगा?
You can do that from here. You can do that digitally. Plus, you will get a display of the flow. You will come to know that the flow is reducing.
और you have to decide कैसी प्रैक्टिस मुझे रखनी है. If you have to keep your practice from here, you can keep from day one ना कि मैं यहीं से
हमारे को अपने ऑप्शन नहीं दिया ना अलग जॉब का, तो यही से करना पड़ेगा.
नहीं अरे आप ये देखो ना, अब देखो या तो वहाँ एक्स्ट्रा नॉब ले लो. अभी देखो यहाँ से पंप में ऑपरेट कर रहा हूँ प्लस है ना, और मेरे पास वहाँ पे भी ऑप्शन है. तो 2 ऑप्शन आपके पास
एक चीज
ऐसे
है,
आपके पास
उसको
ऑप्शन
अभ्यास करना पड़ेगा तुमको. या जैसे
No,
है वो
we have made the main dashboard very sleek.
ये सकर जो है,
हाँ.
अच्छा सकर 1 सकर 1 सेकंड. हमारे को कितना सकर है? 2
तीन सकर है ना, 1, 2, 3.
पूरा
अच्छा, ठीक,
मेटेरियल
ठीक. ठीक, तो हम सकर को चेंज कर सकते हैं ना, इसको हम बना सकते हैं.
एनेस्थेसिया
सकर
और
हम यहाँ से
मसाज
कंट्रोल कर सकते हैं.
एनेस्थेटिक का जरूरत है.
आपको अभी लग रहा है, लेकिन आपको अगर वहाँ से ज़्यादा रहेगा, अप करो डाउन करो, तो आप बार इधर हाथ क्यों लागू जब आप वहाँ चेयर पर बैठे हो ना,
इतना जरूरत नहीं पड़ता है।
Physicists will manage the anesthesia.
React में करना पड़ता है।
ऐसे प्रैक्टिस
चंदन भाई, ये एनेस्थेसिया से है, कह रहे हैं कि इसमें हमारा सब वेपोराइजर और सब कुछ एनेस्थेसिया कर देते हैं, एनेस्थेटिस्ट की जरूरत खत्म कर देते हैं।
नहीं नहीं, जरूरत नहीं करता।